Good morning, guys. Happy holidays. Welcome to part 2 of this year's Christmas Decorate with me. Very affordable decor from the dollar store. And if you have not seen part 1 to this video, I really encourage you to check it out. It is so good. It is filled with happy jolliness and family time and good Christmas music. So if you like this one, I am assured that you will love the first one too. So go check that out. But in today's video, this is part 2. We are starting off in Aiden's room. I decided to add a little Christmas spirit into Aiden's room by simply changing out his wall decor. And these are some principles that I explained in the walkthrough tour of the house. So you'll get to know more information about this soon. Am I the only one who struggles to open picture frames? I feel as if we're in 2022 and there should be easier ways to get pictures or whatever into a picture frame. Like, what are those little things that you have to use something to actually dig up? Like, it's so frustrating. It takes me a long while. This clip is sped up to maximum speed and it's still so slow. But I save less talking in these Christmas Decorate with me videos and save the walkthrough where I actually explain stuff for later because I simply want you to enjoy the Christmas music. So I'm gonna go now, enjoy some music as we tackle Aiden's room. You're going to see coming up here, Adam is going to be putting these frames on the walls and stuff like that. I didn't love it in the beginning, like the spacing of it, so he had to come back in and reorganize them a bit, but you'll see all of that unfold here shortly.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
Okay, we're slowly making our way around the house. So the next room that we are tackling is the bedroom, and I didn't add much Christmas to this room apart from like a cushion and a few things on the side tables. As you can see here, there is like this big thick blanket over the mattress on my bed. The funny story is that this mattress is at least 4 years old right now, so it's beginning to feel a little worn and torn. But at the same time, if you follow my story here and living in Japan, you know that my husband and I, we are not planning to live in Japan much longer. So investing in a very good mattress right now is kind of a stretch, considering that when we do leave here, we'll have to throw it away or, sell it for little or nothing. So like buying a mattress is not something we're thinking about now. So to give the bed a little extra comfort, I have laid some thick blankets down on the base, and then I'll put the fitted sheet over it, and then kind of put the comforter over it. So this is a hack. Like if you have a bed that is getting uncomfortable and you have some big thick blankets or some thick comforters, you could do this trick. It adds such an extra layer of comfort to the bed. It feels warm and cozy. You'll not even realize that it's not like a brand new mattress. I'm so sorry to be cutting the Christmas music, guys, but I have to pop on and tell you about this trick. So this trick where you turn the duvet cover, the comforter cover, inside out. So on the other side, like not the correct side. In Jamaica, we'd call it the wrong side. And you lay your comforter over it, and then you roll it, and then tuck, as you see me doing right here. You tuck the sheet, the comforter or the duvet inside it, and then you line it up properly, and then you basically just flash it out. You'll see me doing it here shortly, and it saves so much time. Putting in a thick big duvet into a big comforter, trying to get the sides equal and stuff. This hack saves so much time. So try this if you have like one of these comforter duvet situation, and let me know in the comments. Come back to this video or message me on Instagram and let me know how it works for you, because I swear by this trick.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I've built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
Okay, we're moving on to the side tables where I just sprinkle a little bit of Christmas there, but I wanted to hop in and talk about the McDonald's. So I had to be eating McDonald's this particular day because it was a Sunday. The next day, Adam was not going to be at home to help with child care, so I wanted to get the decoration out of the way. So I spent basically all day like decorating the house and stuff, and I did not have time to sit down and eat, so I had to order McDonald's and eat it on the go basically. But we're making good headways here. You're going to see me add just some of the little bottle brush Christmas trees and like a little Christmas plaque here on the side tables soon.
Who wants nothing?
are back in Aiden's room trying to finish up the decor. Funny story, I had to run back out to the dollar store, Daiso, to get a few more things because I needed an extra picture frame. And then I went there for some green and yellow stars that you'll see me put up on the wall soon, but they didn't have any, so I decided to continue with the gold ones that I had. And then I got this tapestry Christmas tree thing. So yeah, it was a day of very hard work. And then Adam also came back into the room to like reorganize the picture frames and stuff the way I wanted it. So you'll see that coming up here shortly. And then after the fact, we're going to be doing a full house walkthrough where I explain all of the stuff. That is why I'm not really giving you much information on what is going on here. So stay tuned for the walkthrough where we'll discuss everything that we put up around the house.
Don't ask me how he's done in time. I just know he seems to do just
So right here, I'm just putting some glue dots on the bottom of the picture frame so that I could secure it to the wall a little bit because it is over 8-inch crib and Japan is very prone to earthquakes. So if anything should happen, I don't want them falling and hitting Aiden. So I tried to secure it to the wall here with some glue dots, some balloon glue dots, they call them.
White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family.
Okay guys, so let me talk you through the decor that I managed to put up in the house for this year. So let's start with the sitting area right here on the couch. So I was on the hunt for like some cushion covers some cushion covers, and they didn't have anything Christmassy in Daiso. Daiso is the dollar store here in Japan. If you are new and you haven't caught up, I live in Japan. So the only thing festive that I saw in there in terms of cushion covers were these ones. And I thought, well, what the heck? Might as well get them because nothing else in there screamed Christmas. I swear I didn't even see red cushion covers or green cushion covers. I probably would have gotten those. I really like how this turned out. The only thing that I would change about here is the couch cover. Like if it were a lighter tone, for example, like a white or a cream or a beige, something that wasn't like dark, you know, gray, it probably would have brought the space up more a bit. But I'm happy with how that turned out, to be honest. I mean, a little bit of festivity in the couch won't hurt. And then we have the Christmas tree over here, which is the nice, perfect corner. Last year, we had the Christmas tree right where the high chair is sitting. But this year, we thought here in the corner would be a perfect little fit. And to be honest, Aiden has not shown much interest in the tree. Like he's gone there once or twice, took down like 1 or 2 ornaments and basically found himself uninterested and left it. So it's good that he's not trying to climb and destroy the tree. Let's hope it stays that way until the Christmas tree is done and put away for the season. And then above the TV here, because in Japan we don't have fireplaces and like mantles and stuff like that, so hanging stockings on the fireplace is kind of like wishful thinking for us living here in Japan. So what I decided to do was basically to hang the 3 stockings over the TV and just add a little Christmas garland. I am a little bit regretful of the garland that I ended up choosing because it has the blue in it, and basically I'm like doing a red and green and gold kind of theme. I wasn't thinking about that when I was picking up the decor. I just picked up random stuff, so I ended up with that. But to be honest, the other ones that were there were like red and yellow, like Mickey Mouse things, and I'm not like obsessed with characters or anything like that, so this was like the most Christmassy one. It's just like the blue, and I do know that, you know, people include blue in their decor, but my theme, you know, is the traditional Christmas colors, the reds, the greens, the golds, you know. So that is what we have going above the TV. So for the entire living room, this is like the overview. The Christmas tree stays on. You know, we watch TV with our Christmas cushions, and we can stare, you know, at the stockings. I don't think we will be putting anything in the stockings. We'll save the gifts for under the Christmas tree. Okay, moving on. Let me get this broom out of the shot because, guys, let me tell you something. If you are a mom, then you know your house is never 100% cleaned and picked up, because guess what? This is YouTube, right? But this is reality. A pile of dirty laundry that needs to go into the laundry room. But the laundry room is that way. That door is closed because Aiden is taking a nap and he is kind of waking up. So if I go through that door right now, the light seeps through, he'll be up, and then this video will have to be pause, hear him crying, it will have to be paused, and then the house is going to be more of a mess. So we have to work with this. So this is what I got done for the tablescape, minus the water bottle here. This is what I picked up for the tablescape. Just simply, you know, a white placemat, some fake Christmas trees. It is nice that I found these Christmas trees here in Japan, because I watch a lot of YouTubers from the US and Canada, and a lot of the decorating videos this year have these Christmas trees. So I was pretty pumped and glad that I could get these in Japan too. So yeah, and then I got just some Dollar Tree floral arrangements going on here. I have no idea what the names of these flowers are. So Christmas flowers, you know, they're red, they're white. I see things like pampas grass, I don't know, and I know these things, they look like cranberries, so I'm like, okay, let's get them. And then in this mug, in this glass vase, I don't know what you say. I say vase. Adam says we say vase in the Caribbean, in Jamaica. And that is really what I have for the tablescape. And then on the fridge is like nothing dramatic. I just put up random, I think these are gel sticky pasty things. I initially got them to go on like the window, the glass window, so that Aiden could play. But I realized that they can easily peel off and he can eat them, so I basically just put them here on the fridge. You know, nice little reminder that it's Christmas. So this is the bedroom. So basically all I added to the bed was cushion. This cushion, as I think I was showing you when I was doing the bed, it's actually from my merch collection. I just took off the merch cushion cover off of it, and then I bought this cushion cover from Nitori here in Japan. That's a home store here in Japan, and they also had this, I'm going to call it a throw for the lack of a better word. I'm not sure what this is called, but this is typically where you'd have a throw blanket or something of the season. I guess this mimics the idea and it matches the cushion. So I decided to just lay it out across the bed. I tried to do it like this way, horizontally, and it didn't look good to me, so this is what I settled on. And then for the bedside tables, I really just added these, the fake Christmas tree, and then this little wooden plaque that says Merry Christmas in blue. I swear they didn't have any red and kind of gold one, so I had to just work with what they had there. And then the same thing on my side, except that I decided to keep the blue flowers since the sheets are blue and this thing is blue, so it may tie in. And of course I have my very staple bedside items, my Vicks vapor rub and my rubbing alcohol, because if you know me, my sinuses are crazy, especially at night. So yeah, I basically, for Christmas, I added, another floral arrangement here, some red flowers, some of these white things, and then I added a little wreath at the top of there. I usually do keep a floral arrangement here and some kind of wreath here, so I just swapped it out for Christmas. And then by the time I started shopping for Christmas decorations, all the wreaths everywhere were sold out, including at Daiso. So this is what I ended up with on my door. And this is Aiden and Daddy. Aiden just woke up from his nappy nap. Hi. Hey. So guys, honestly, I don't love this because it seriously just looks like, I don't know, it looks like an art and craft project that a toddler would do. Not that toddlers do a bad job, it's just, it doesn't look chic like the photo on the thing. I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to show you the one that came on the packaging of the same thing, and this looks nothing like it. But I decided I wasn't going to put this in Aiden's room anymore because he actually gagged on one of these ornaments. Once you can roll through a toilet paper roll, they say it's a choking hazard, but honestly they looked big and it looks as if it couldn't get stuck in his throat. But he put one in his mouth and he gagged so hard I had to yank it out. So I'm like, okay, no, we're not putting this in his room. So we put it in the office, and this is about the only thing in the office that is Christmassy. And this is the tree that they have on the packaging of the thing. See, this looks chic, mine doesn't. Aiden's room is finally finished with the Christmas touch. Obviously the center or the focal area of the room is going to be like that plain wall right over his crib. That's where we had his name sign and the centerpiece. So changing that out to focus on Christmas seemed most, I guess, ideal to do in this tiny box room. I absolutely recommend the site that I got these snowflakes printables from. They have a lot of printables not only for Christmas but for general house decor. I will link them down in the description box below because right now I'm not remembering the name of this site, but it's joyful printed or something like that. But check the description box down below for a website that gives you free printable downloads, and you do not have to like go through this rigmarole of signing up, putting in your card details and all of that just to get some free prints. So really recommend that site. Check the description box. And then over his book area, you guys, like, this is balancing mom life and everything else. Like, I got to put the decor up, but I didn't get to tidy the room properly because his books are all out of what there. There are my spoon utensils there. There's a bird cloth. There's an extra shirt. There's all kind of things. But I did get the decor up, and I did get to wipe the puzzle floor with all of the dust and stuff. So this is what we have going on for over the bookshelf. And then over here is also another little focal point of Christmas. So we have a little Santa Claus printable, same website that I got this one. And then this one, I went on Canva and I simply just did these on A4 letter paper format, and really just write out ho, like added the pages at the color that I wanted, and then I printed it. So if you need an idea, you can basically get pictures off of Google, make them in Canva, or search on Pinterest for printables, and you can print them. So as I was saying, over here, that little Santa Claus with some stars, and I kept his name sign. Yeah. 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 No. Oide. Mind your finger. Guys, I am so tired, but I feel so fulfilled because there's just nothing greater than a rejuvenated space filled with Christmas decor. It's like my absolute favorite time of the year. My birthday also falls 2 days before Christmas. You know, it's just the most wonderful time of the year, as everybody says, or as the songwriter says, because not everybody thinks Christmas is the best time of the year. Not everybody celebrates Christmas. So if that's you, you don't celebrate Christmas, that's fine. We still love you. But like for me, Christmas is really a big deal. I hope you enjoyed this year's decorate with me and putting up the Christmas tree video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. Let me know down in the comments also what do you think of the decor. Like I said, majority of the stuff I bought were from the dollar store, and I think I did mention in this video, or probably it was on my Instagram, I have no idea at this point, but like decorating your apartment is kind of hard in Japan because they only have Christmas sprinkled in the stores. It's not like you can get full-on nice decor and stuff like that. So you know, putting up the Christmas tree, I got the little Christmas what they call that, jitters, and I went to the dollar store and I bought some stuff, and that's what you see here. But I didn't plan, like my friends can tell you, I didn't plan to actually decorate any rooms in the house. Like the only plan was to put the Christmas tree up and some presents under the Christmas tree for Christmas morning, and that would be it. But I got the Christmas jitters and I went ahead and did a little thing. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 3. And yeah, I'll see you in another 2 days with a brand new video. So until next time, happy holidays, guys. Bye.
And with joy and laughter, let us make memories that stay forever.